Good day. My name is Jesti Udyan. I am graduate of Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I am passionate about helping people, especially those in difficult situations. During my internship, I gained experience in assisting clients, doing interviews, and participating in community programs. I chose social work because I want to make a difference in people's lives. I believe that even small help can create a big impact, especially for those who are in need of support and guidance. My strengths are good communication skills, patents, empathy, and the ability to understand different kinds of people. I am also hardworking and willing to learn. During my internship, I handled a client who was shy and afraid to share their problem. I stayed patent, listened carefully, and made them feel safe. Eventually, they trusted me and opened up, which helped us address their needs. I will respect their decision but continue to offer support. I will try to understand their feelings and let them know that I am available whenever they are ready.
Part.
You should hire me because I am dedicated, compassionate, and committed to helping others. I am willing to learn and grow, and I will do my best to serve clients effectively. And that's all. Thank you very much for this opportunity.